1 Minute Horrors, episode 44, The Sounds of Hell. Strong audio warning. The year is 1970. In the midst of the Cold War, scientists of the Soviet Union wanted to drill as far down as possible into the Earth's surface to know more about our planet's crust. The area chosen was the Murmansk Oblast, an extreme northwest area of Russia, about 13 miles or 20 kilometers from the border of Norway. Drilling began on May 24th. In over 2 decades, the Russians managed to dig more than 7.5 miles or 12 kilometers down into the Earth, until their drill rotated and hit a cavern. Named the Kola Super Deep Borehole because it geographically was located at Russia's Kola Peninsula. This is the deepest artificial point on Earth. The scientists were also curious on what it sounds like down there, so they lowered a heat-tolerant microphone far into the hole. The temperatures reached up to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, or 1,100 degrees Celsius, and they only got about 19 seconds of audio before the microphone swiftly melted. But it was 19 seconds of purely horrifying audio, the pure sounds of hell.